Ludgate Hill, on the cracked and blackened cobbles of the town, the ashes fall to rest as a tiny king of birds he flutters down to build a citadel to light glory in the dark, and from hell to breathe hope in every heart. Oh, oh, oh. At Ludgate Hill, through the siren screams the heavens burn again. The city holds its breath as a tiny little king in slumber bed rises from the dust to light glory in the dark, and through frost to breathe hope in every heart. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause there are murmurs in the choir, there are whispers in the dawn, that the King of Birds is broken on the altar of his home. At Ludgate Hill, where the towers of smoke and mirrors bruise the sky, the pilgrims huddle in as a tiny king of birds begins to cry. People start to sing to light glory in the dark. Ring the bell and breathe hope in every heart. And oh, 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 and oh.